Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I have 2014 Chevy Traverse, and I will show you which fuses to check in case your front windshield wipers or windshield washers are not working. This video should apply to first generation of these vehicles made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the most of things to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the passenger side, just under this cover. Now to remove the cover, you have a couple of black tabs, one here, and one here. So just want to push onto those and lift up. Ideally you would do this using both of your hands, but I'm recording, so I'm using just one. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram, which can always help you out, and you have like a fuse puller right here, which you can use to remove and check the fuses. Okay, now first you want to check this 25 amp fuse located right here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to both windshield wipers and the washers. So this is the main thing to check. After you've checked the fuse, then you will have two relays to check, and these are these two. This is the wiper relay and this is the high-speed wiper relay. So ideally you want to test them using the multimeter. If not, you can try to replace it with the one of the same kind and just see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and replace it. And now there is one more thing to check for the windshield washers, which is in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin under the glove box. So I will zoom in and turn on the flash. You'll have to get into a bit awkward position. Now just here there is this small, like a door you have to open, right? And you just pull it down and then you will get access to the fuses. And the fuse here you want to check will be, okay, I'll try to zoom in actually because I can't really reach it properly. It's this 10 amp red fuse in the top left corner, okay? So the top left fuse, you can try to zoom out a bit and try to pinpoint with my screwdriver as well. Okay, so this top red fuse, this is the one you will check, okay? Okay, and now if all of these are good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. Unfortunately, you'll have to test the wipers switch, you'll have to test the washer switch, you'll have to test the washer's pump, check the nozzles, depending what kind of problem you have, right? But the fuses are the first and easiest thing to check and replace. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.